Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Welcome back, everyone. And welcome to day 13.
We hope you're having a wonderful day.
And welcome back to week 3. You're doing an amazing job keeping up with the challenge.
We really are proud of you.
Yesterday, we learned how to describe someone's appearance.
That's right. We talked about hair, eyes, height.
And even beards.
Yes. And your new haircut.
I have to say, I'm still getting used to it.
Really?
Every time I walk past a mirror, I think, oh my God, who's that?
Oh, come on. It looks great.
Thanks.
But yesterday was all about how people look on the outside.
Exactly.
Today, we're talking about something completely different.
Yeah, we're talking about what's on the inside.
Today's topic is personality. Have you ever met someone who was really friendly? Or someone who was very quiet?
Maybe someone who always makes you laugh.
Or someone who's a little shy when you first meet them?
Those are all parts of someone's personality.
Before we start, there's another important English question to learn.
Yesterday, we learned, what does he look like?
That question is about appearance.
But today, we have a different question. What is he like?
Or, what are you like?
These questions are asking about personality.
It's a little confusing because the questions sound similar.
But they mean completely different things.
So remember, what does she look like? Appearance.
What is she like? Personality.
Once you know the difference, it's easy. So, Alex.
Yes?
What are you like?
That's a good question.
I know my answer already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm a friendly person.
Definitely.
I enjoy meeting new people and having conversations.
That's true. You can start a conversation with almost anyone.
I guess that's one of the reasons I enjoy being a teacher.
I think so too.
I also like making people laugh.
You do.
Life is more fun when people are smiling.
Yeah, I agree.
But I can also be a little lazy sometimes.
Sometimes?
Hey, I'm not that bad.
I'm only joking.
I know. I do enjoy sleeping in at the weekend.
And you love relaxing on the sofa with pizza and a movie.
Now you're making me sound very lazy.
Not lazy.
Go on.
Relaxed.
I like that word much better.
I thought you might. What about me?
Well, I'd say you're one of the most patient people I know.
Aw, thanks.
You're always calm.
Most of the time.
Even when something goes wrong, you don't panic.
I try not to.
You're also very hardworking.
Aw, thanks.
Really. Between your graphic design work, your painting, your gardening, and this podcast.
It does keep me busy.
It definitely does.
I also think I'm quite quiet.
Really?
Yeah. If I'm in a big group of people, I usually listen more than I talk.
That's true.
I'm happy just listening to everyone else.
And then you always say something thoughtful.
Maybe.
You know, everyone has a different personality.
That's what makes people interesting.
Exactly. If everyone was the same, life would be pretty boring.
I agree.
Let's go through some useful personality words.
Good idea. We already said I'm quite patient.
Yes. And you're also hardworking.
Thank you.
What do you think is the opposite of hardworking?
I'd say lazy.
Like me?
Sometimes.
I'll accept that.
But I think you're more relaxed than lazy.
I like that description much better. It's true. I am a very relaxed person. I don't worry about things too much.
You work hard during the week. You just know how to enjoy your weekends.
Exactly. I like a slow Saturday morning.
Another useful word is outgoing.
That's definitely me. I love talking to people. I enjoy meeting new people and making new friends.
I've noticed.
I like chatting with my students.
The opposite of outgoing is shy. A shy person usually feels nervous when meeting new people.
They might not talk very much at first, but that doesn't mean they're unfriendly.
Exactly. Sometimes people just need a little more time to feel comfortable. I'm like that.
Yeah, you are.
What about your sister, Sarah?
I'd say she's a little shy when she first meets someone.
Really?
Yes, but once you get to know her, she talks a lot.
I think a lot of people are like that.
Definitely.
Another great word is funny.
I love that word. I like making people laugh.
You certainly try.
Did you just say try?
Sometimes you're very funny.
Sometimes?
And sometimes I just laugh because you're laughing.
I'll take it. My students say I am a funny teacher. Sometimes I am a little bit serious, but mostly I like to have fun.
A serious person doesn't joke very much.
They like to focus on their work.
That's true. I can be serious when I'm working on a design project.
I can imagine.
Sometimes I spend hours choosing the right colors or moving little things around on the screen.
That's because you want everything to look perfect.
Yeah, you know me.
Oh, you know who has a funny personality?
Who?
Max.
Oh, of course.
He's full of energy all day long, and he's so playful. If he sees a ball,
He has to chase it.
every single time.
Luna is completely different. She loves sleeping in sunny spots by the window.
That sounds very peaceful.
So today we've learned lots of personality words.
Friendly. Funny. Quiet. Outgoing. Shy.
Hardworking. Relaxed. Serious. Patient. And energetic.
Those words will help you describe yourself, your family, and your friends.
You use the word I am for personality. I am shy. He is funny. She is patient.
Okay, let's imagine we're having lunch together.
Sounds good.
Alex, what are you like?
I'd say I'm friendly and outgoing.
I agree. You're funny, too.
Thanks. What about you?
I think I'm patient and hardworking.
That's true.
I'm also a little quiet when I meet new people.
But once people get to know you, you're very easy to talk to.
Thank you. That's kind of you to say.
What about your brother? What's he like?
He's friendly, outgoing, and he always makes people laugh.
Sounds like someone I'd like to meet.
I think you'd get along really well.
And what about your sister, Sarah?
Alex, she's your sister.
Oh, right. Okay, let me try that again.
Go on.
My sister Sarah is hardworking, kind, and a little shy when she first meets people.
That's much better.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime.
See? These are exactly the kinds of questions you'll hear when you're getting to know someone.
And now you know how to answer them naturally. Very easy, right?
It is time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to explain 2 great words from our chat today.
These are great words to use when you're talking about people. The first word is personality. Personality. Personality.
Your personality is the type of person you are on the inside. It is how you behave and feel.
Everyone has a different personality. For example, someone can be friendly or shy.
Funny or serious.
Here's an example sentence. She has a kind personality. Or, I like him because he has a great personality.
The second word is outgoing. O-U-T-G-O-I-N-G. Outgoing.
An outgoing person enjoys talking to people. They like meeting new friends, and they usually feel comfortable in groups.
I definitely describe myself as outgoing.
I think everyone listening already knows that.
Probably.
Here's an example. My cousin is very outgoing. She loves meeting new people.
And remember, the opposite of outgoing is shy.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice talking about personality.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our speed and our voice. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. What are you like?
Sentence number 2. I am a friendly person.
Sentence number 3. She is quiet and a little shy.
Sentence number 4. He is funny and outgoing.
Sentence number 5. My parents are hardworking.
Sentence number 6. I like to relax at the weekend.
Excellent job! Your English is sounding so natural and smooth.
You're becoming more confident every day. Keep it up.
Now, it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 13.
We'd love to hear how you would describe yourself.
So, today's question is, what are you like?
Think about your personality. There are lots of great answers. Go to the comments section and practice writing your answer in English. Use the word I am. Try writing 1 or 2 sentences in the comments. For example, I am friendly and hardworking.
Or, I am a little shy, but I like meeting new people.
Maybe you're relaxed like me. Or calm like Emma.
Whatever your personality is, we'd love to hear about it.
And don't forget today's challenge.
At the end of your comment, type Day 13 completed.
You are doing fantastic.
Thank you so much for joining us for Day 13 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
If you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
And if you have a friend who's learning English, share this podcast with them. Learning is always more fun together. We will be back tomorrow for Day 14. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Until then,
Stay confident. Keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.